In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Monday.com. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by constant pings or that little bell filling up with updates, this walkthrough will help you customize things so you only see what actually matters to you. First, make sure you're signed into your Monday.com account and looking at your main workspace. We're going to start by heading down to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up, and from that menu, choose the option labeled My Profile. This is where you can adjust all your personal settings, including notifications. Once your profile view opens, look along the top for a tab called Notifications. Click on that tab. This section controls how Monday.com communicates with you, and it's broken into different types of notifications so you can fine-tune them instead of turning everything off at once. For this video, we're focusing on desktop or bell notifications. These are the alerts that show up inside Monday.com itself, usually under that bell icon at the top of your screen. To manage those, find and click on the option labeled Monday Bell Notifications. This area lists out all the different actions and events that can trigger a notification inside the platform. You'll see a series of checkboxes next to specific actions. These might include things like, someone replies to my update, I am assigned to an item, or someone mentions me. To turn off a particular type of bell notification, simply uncheck the box next to that description. For example, if you don't want to get notified every time someone replies to an update you've written, uncheck the box that says, Someone replies to my update. Take a moment to scroll through and read each option carefully. Think about what you actually need to be notified about to stay productive, and what just creates noise. You don't have to turn everything off. The goal is to keep the important alerts and remove the distractions. And remember, you can always come back to this screen later and recheck any box if you realize you've turned off something you miss. Once you've unchecked the notifications you no longer want, your changes are saved automatically. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off desktop and bell notifications in Monday.com and tailored your workspace to be a little quieter and more focused.